Hey friends, welcome back to my channel Hetal'S Cornerstone. So, in today's video, we will see writing at least 50 words. So, you have to write the 50 words within a 3 to 5 minutes. Maximum 5 minutes and minimum 3 minutes. So, you have to complete that task within a 50 words, right? So, let's begin with the new session of Duolingo English Test Writing. But before that, if you are new in my channel, do not forget like, share and subscribe Hetal'S Cornerstone. So let's begin with the video writing. So we will see the question, what are the reasons for traffic congestion in our cities? Right, so you have to write only reasons. Okay, what are the reasons for traffic congestion in our cities? So first is that I will provide you meaning of synonyms of all the hard vocabulary, right? First one is that the reason for traffic congestion in our city is many. Otherwise, you can write that the reason for traffic congestion in our city is numerous, right? Next one, the main reason is the high density of population. So I will provide you the meaning of density in the end of the video. Okay. So main reason is the high density of population in our cities and the fact that buying a vehicle has come within a common man's reach. Next one. This has means the first sentence continue with that another sentence. This will lead to increase in the number of cars on our roads. At the same time, the roads have not been widely proportionate. Okay, so this one is the first reason, density of population and people are buying more and more vehicle. Okay, and if vehicles are increased in the road, then pollution will also increase and traffic congestion will also increase in our cities and roads are not properly winded. Okay, so this one is a first reason of congestion. Next one, another reason is the bad condition of our roads, potholes and slow repair. Construction work in many places make the smooth flow or traffic impossible. Okay, so first reason is the high density of population and people are buying more and more vehicles. Second reason is that condition of the road is not good. Okay, not proper. So it's a traffic that will be traffic. Next one, moreover, another reason is that our cities are not properly planned. For an instance, otherwise you can like say an example. So I have written over here, for an instance, in many areas there are commercial enterprises in residential areas and residential pockets in commercial areas. So you have seen that our cities are not properly planned. There is a one shop commercial areas and above that there is a residential pockets, so there will be more traffic in the roads, there will be more traffic congestion in our cities. Okay, and our cities are not properly, our roads are not properly except Gandhinagar and I think so Gurgaon, right? Both the cities are properly planned. Next one is, sometimes we see that even residential areas are blocked with heavy traffic to the commercial sites. Okay, because in residential areas there is a heavy traffic of commercial sites, so that might be more traffic in that areas. Next one, but more than anything else, perhaps, is the fact that we do not have a road signs, right? Everything is okay, but we do not have a road signs. So you can start like this, but more than anything else, perhaps, is the fact that we do not have a road sense. Next, we flout traffic rules, but don't think of this as an offense. Okay, so this is the main reasons of traffic congestion in our cities. All this compounded make traffic jam is the biggest concern in our cities, right? So this is a 50 words, so minimum you have to write the 50 words. So I've tried to provide you as possible as minimum words. So you can remember these words. Okay, you can also speak these sentences in the speaking part of Duolingo as well as in IELTS, right? If they will ask, say something about traffic congestion in your city, right? So you can speak this type of sentences also. Next, we will see the meaning of hard vocabulary. Conjunction. So you must remember the spelling. If you will do not know the correct spelling of conjunction, so you will lose your marks. Congecti. Congestion conjunction means blockage, traffic jam, crowding. This is a synonyms of the conjunction. Next, we will see the example of that. The conjunction must be breaking up. Okay, or you can write this is sentence of traffic rules, right? Next meaning is density. Density means frequency, density, population, right? We have seen the earlier sentence. Density means frequency, bulk, mass, quantity. So this is a density. What's the example? Machine was used to measure bone density or how compact the bone is. So I have written whatever the sentence I have in my mind. So you can write any other sentences, but the meaning must be matched with the perfect sentence. Next word we will see flout. We have seen, right? Flout means mock, repudiate, disgrade, right? People are flout of the rules and regulation of our government. So we will see no one can flout the rules and get away with it. So this is the meaning of flout and example. Concern, we have seen this is the biggest concern. So this means that worry, right? So this is a proper meaning and example I have attached with this video. So please read it, prepare it for the examination. So thank you guys, be prepared, be well for the examination. And if you have any query regarding IELTS and Duolingo, so please comment me in the comment box. I will try to provide you answer of that. So thank you guys, bye bye now.